Hello, I'm playing Beefam right now, and I was just grinding. This is just my second attempt to make a video right now. Sorry I couldn't upload on, I'm sorry I haven't uploaded since Thursday. I was a bit busy on those days. But yeah, oh, he finally joined. Hello. I wish I could be in Discord call with them. Then I'll probably get rid of sound on the recorder. So what can we do today? Oh, no, I could do that. Oh, let me just, I'm eating potato chips, normal Lay's chips. So please ignore any of the sounds that you hear. Oh yeah, I got this thing. I don't remember when I got it. Oh wait, this is the wrong thing. Yeah. I know your little speech. So what do I have to do? Well, that's gonna take a while. Let's do this. Yes, the level 1 snow bear. We're gonna destroy the level 1 snow bear in this episode. Then I'm gonna finally hop on to my main account. And you're finally gonna see it since forever. But yeah, let me just pause the video, I guess, so I could do that right now. Well, I haven't been on this account in a while. Honestly, I haven't recorded on this account for a while. But yeah, a lot has changed. Is change really a good thing? That's the real question. Is change a good thing? But yeah, we just need like 8 more strawberries, 8 more red extra, and then we'll get the thing, and then we'll get this thing over here. I already got the blue one, so right now I'm focusing on the red one. I got everything from this shop, except this. Because I'm missing 100 red. I'm just missing 8 red extract. 8. Strawberry, strawberry, strawberry. Where's the strawberries? No strawberry. Why did it have to be in that corner? It just had to be in it. Oh yeah. Before I forget about that quest that I have to do right now that I'm doing. Yeah, it's not fun. In 17 minutes. Well, I guess I could just grind this out. I guess I could just finish my Black Bear quest, because I have literally nothing to do. And go. I'll probably make a Minecraft video next. I don't know, it's your guys' choice. Or should I just make a different type of game video? Oh no, this would have been on the main, on the alt, so we could get these 11 mentions. But yeah. No, I still don't want to join you. But yeah, we're gonna finish the 10th Mythic Egg quest for Black Bear. I think it is, I don't remember. But yeah, I'm halfway down the Mythic Egg thing. It's gonna take me forever to get it though. Can't even kill the coconut crab. But yeah, this video is probably only gonna be like 10 minutes long. Since, yeah. Since I don't really want it to be that long. Because I kinda have a headache right now. I really don't want to record today either, but I don't want to miss out on recording. Oh yeah, the final on it quest. It's only gonna take me a long time. It's only gonna take me a long time. I still haven't killed the snakes now. I'm bad at this game. A bit later on. This is just gonna be episode 16. Since I made episode 15.5. This is just gonna be a short video of me showing off my main account and doing a tiny bit of grinding on my alt. But yeah, I'm ending the video here, I guess. I'm just kinda bored.